Hi beautiful people, I am reviewing today the Yuhuu Fur Remover Wizard for pet hair and self-cleaning. It has a self-cleaning base, dog hair remover. It's a reusable, portable-sided pet. This is the portable size one. This is the giant one. And then also it comes with this sticky portable lint remover that you can carry in your purse if you're going into an important meeting or whatever and you have something in your clothes. If you have a cat, you have a dog, and they shed, this is a great product. You can use it on your furniture, your clothes. It will free lint and animal hair, get rid of dog hair or cat hair or any other pet's hair. Small fibers in just a few efficient sweeps as the Fur Wizard works. Pet hair remover effectively picks up lint, dust, pet hair, dirt, and fluff in one swift move. It's saved on all fabric types, and it also will clean up hair dander or pet dander. You can reduce your time cleaning. Double-sided, the large one is double-sided, as well as the small one is single-sided. The big one, if I can get it out, there we go. So this is the double-sided wand. This is the big one, and it goes back in here. So you can turn a chore into a comfortable task. It has a soft and easy grip to handle. It's ergonomic. It's a Fur Wizard pet hair remover, eliminates hand and wrist strain even after prolonged use. Clean and hygienic, you will effortlessly remove unwanted pet fur with our lint removers. You won't damage your furniture or clothing. This one, you can stay clean while traveling. Actually, if you have a big enough, this is a small sticky one that is reusable. And if you have enough room in your purse, you can keep this one in to travel. This is perfect for travel, especially for business people. Yeah, actually, you stay clean while traveling. It's handy wherever you are. And if you want to look sharp every time, this is a great product to use. So something I just wanted to demonstrate something that has lint on it. I'm going to use the small one right here, and you just swipe it off. Kind of rolls into a ball. This might not be the best demonstration, but I got that much, and then you just stick it back in there and it should come off. It's actually not doing what it says. Oh wait, oh, nope, still not doing it. So let's try the big one. This is the double-sided one. Definitely picks up the lint that's extra on lint. Yeah, this one seems to work a bit better. It's not quite sticking. But once again, this is a different type of, it's lint, not necessarily pet fur or dander, but it cleans off, and then you stick it back in, and it should, if I can get it back out. This is a tougher product to use than I thought. It cleans off. So yeah, so this is the Yuhuu Fur Remover Wizard pet hair, and it has a self-cleaning base, which is one of the cool things about it. So see, when it came out, it had no lint. I've used it on my clothes. I don't have any pets though. Let's see if it can get some of this lint off here. Seems to do an okay job. So yeah, the Yuhuu Fur Remover Wizard. This one I'm just gonna see if I can pop it out. I think it pops out. No, it's just a roller. So that, there's some lint on there. So this comes off. Let's try the other side. This is definitely cleaner than it was when I started. So you have a little lint brush. You can stick that in your purse. It's about the size of a large lipstick. And I give this product about 3.5 stars out of 5. Like I said, I don't have a dog or a cat to test cat or dog fur or pet dander, but I say a good solid 3.5 stars for this. So yeah, don't take my word for it. Try it yourself. It's a pretty good price. The Yuhuu Fur Remover Wizard, pet hair remover with self-cleaning base, dog fur remover, and reusable double-sided wand. This is the small one that just has one side, and then also the closed one that's sticky and able to travel. So yeah, take a gander at this, and like I said, I'd give it about 3.5 stars out of 5. So don't take my word for it, try it yourself, and thanks so much for watching.